Alright folks, this is the Queen tribute wall. You can come in and do wee tributes to Freddie and the band. Some really good ones. First one that really stuck out to me is, and I don't know if I can see this, you see the Brian May one, I quite liked that. The sun's right in the that's it. The sun's quite on my screen, so I can't quite see what I'm doing here. Some of them are really creative. People from all over the world. I haven't got a pen with me, so I'm going to need to come back and get a wee mentioning. It's definitely, if you're a Queen fan, it's definitely somewhere to go. I think that's the end of it. Oh no, there's a wee bit more. Oh, we drawing a Freddy as a boy. I can't see a thing here with the sun. That's well, Jacqueline's just having a wee look at it. What do you think, honey? It's impressive, isn't it? Aye, we'll need to get something. Aye. Jacqueline's just offered me a bingo dabber to put a permanent marker on. No, I think we'll be just leaving that one. There's one of John Deacon. No, because no, you can't do that. Nice try though, thank you. Anyway, that was the Queen wall outside Montreux Casino. As an aside, we're about 100 Swiss francs up. We had a good wee win there. Courtesy of Jacqueline, just won about 70. Then I won a wee bit more, so aye, we did good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.